Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best duster Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is OXO Good Grips Microfiber Hand Duster. Dusting is not always a tedious task, with the right piece devices that can be as simple as ABC. For all those pesky hidden particles in the areas of dustbuster cannot achieve is old school to go the way to go. With OXO Good Grips Hand Cleaning Microfiber Duster made easy. The duster microfiber itself with a head the ability to cover a large area in a single pass called cover. What is even more convenient is the fact that you can do without using some type of raw versatile easier cleaning agents. For maneuverability, it also has a non-slip handle and a thin, flexible body. This goes a long way to ensure that you can easily fit into those corners and cracks, the hot spots for powders. In addition to all this, microfiber heads are easily fixed. This feature is very useful when presented to wash the need. Once both sides are done right, use, easy grab, reach the head and the disc pop is marked as newly out of fashion again. When the reusable head, there is no need for fully duster leave. Just use a replacement head. We advise the user to wash, vacuum cold water to use, any softener or bleach. In addition, the heat drying it is not advisable. Number 2. Our second best pick is OXO Good Grips Microfiber Extendable Duster. If your idea of a duster is one of these weak figures observed in the hands reared on television, then you are in for a surprise. This is the cleaning duster packed with features. The dust will have your house free at any time. If you are looking for a light and flexible option, the OXO Good Grips Extendable Duster Microfiber is the way to go. This cleaning device has the ability to clean everything from ceiling fans to baseboards. As soon as you know how to handle the situation, the possibilities are endless. The fact that it is a retractable handle literally and figuratively puts together the other level. The handle itself is made of a lightweight aluminum support and in addition to the head extends at an angle of 270 degrees to rotate. This makes it very easy for users in difficult areas above to access cabinets and shelves. To achieve in addition to the highest and the lowest point inside the house, this cleaning duster is also thin, enough to get flexible on the furniture medium. Those powder hidden there for rabbits and particles have to hide no place when it comes to this ingenious piece cleaning equipment. To top it all, which is equipped with a comfortable non-slip handle, ensures a secure hold dealing with all around. Number 3. Our third best pick is GM Royal Ostrich Feather Duster. Those looking for something with a more classic look, but twice this is to take the path efficiency of traditional feather dusters. GM Royal Ostrich Feather Duster is specifically designed and manufactured for a wide range of cleaning problems. It is equipped with real ostrich feathers that have been specifically collected for a number of reasons. It is mainly due to their high quality and capacity a cleaning solution provides long-term. The springs are his own soft and flexible, while a silky tighten around the outside. Do not confuse softness for weakness. Each of these soft pens with more than 1,000 threads equipped with magnet minutes. What do? Effectively intercept and keep dust radical particles, which in turn ensures that you get great value for your money. In addition, this is not to be fragile by far, but you have to tender touch, with figures and collectors in handy. Therefore, as an alternative to chemicals and other options that are likely to put on the back of the dust excellent, this is a viable option. There is a reason our ancestors worth a feather duster good spring that will undoubtedly leave their homes and spick period. Moreover, this is a safe, efficient and environmentally friendly way to guarantee the house is from beginning to end free of dust. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Swiffer Duster's Heavy Duty Super Extender Handle Starter Kit. This is specifically designed to help get users to the generally inaccessible areas. Think dusted the last time about her shelf, the top of the cupboard, a ceiling fan or other piece height furniture. Instead, to get dust on a daily basis inhalation, Swiffer dusters the same Super Extender Starter Kit handle. This device has the ability to create a rich 6 meters to extend, so do many areas in the home accessible. This cleaning duster comes with 4 heavy duster minds. On this basis, it is basically a gift. It uses a combination of 2 stops to deal with dust and loose dirt. With its locking functions plus trap, you can store up to 3 times more dust and allergens, most options easily removed out there. This may cause allergies is one aspect that really it is said that over the others. Therefore, all allergens may be inanimate-derived substances such as cat hair/dog and the dog mites matter can virtually no chance. In addition, this hand duster can accommodate up to 360 degrees of fibers with a special coating, to be taken fully equipped releases without dust. To do this on the basis of this fact, both dust and allergens duster no chance against this practice. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Procter & Gamble 12051603 Swiffer Dusters Starter Kit. Note, however, a number of people dust off their surfaces, including apparently inaccessible ones. But how many people remember, dust off your blinds? This microfiber duster opens up a new world in which the dust blinds are as normal as possible. The Venetian Wuzzy Microfiber Inter-Thing Blind Duster is good to go no matter what kind of blinds that you own. Therefore, if they are or it is advisable to equip the substance or vertical wood to take on the best duster blind out there. This microfiber cloth is with a flexible shaft that can bend at an angle of 60 degrees wedges. With this feature, users can easily handle the size at work along with a number of fastener sizes. It consists of a combination of balanced microfiber and ABS plastic. This in turn ensures that it can easily work together in various power components functions. All to work both ensure overall that the duster is as time efficient as possible. Thanks to its clever design, the user can clean on both sides of the closure at a time. That all depends on the flexibility fingers are adjusted accordingly between the blinds. As a result to ensure the pass that the blind slate is clean perfectly. The advantage is that there is a free refill included in the package. Therefore, these 2 sleeves resistant microfiber, the dust in your home is a whole lot of problems. Besides being able to absorb dust easily, this duster is also incredibly easy to clean, no stains or dirt remain on this piece of stellar cleaning equipment. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.